Hello and welcome to the University of Wolverhampton Christmas Time Lecture 2022. My name's Deborah Curiton and I'm an Associate Professor of Equality in Learning and Teaching at the University of Wolverhampton. Martin.
Hello, I'm Martin Pachara and I'm an Associate Professor for Engagement in Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths for the University and for the Faculty of Science and Engineering. Welcome to our Christmas lecture this year.
So we've been running this Christmas lecture for a little while now, haven't we, Martin? And it's always been a joint event between the team that you work with, which is the STEM response team, the Doctoral College that I work in, and drawing on the knowledge and experience of people across the University of Wolverhampton. And we do this to be able to share with you the important work that we do at the university in attempting to change the lives of the community around us. So Martin, you're an expert in that process of communicating research to the outside world. Would you tell us a little bit about outreach, research outreach?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's difficult for researchers and perhaps those embroiled in research, particularly in academia, to think beyond sometimes the walls of the work that they do. But of course, what we have in academia is currency, which is impact, and so we've got to get outside those walls. We've got to change the world around us. We've got to engage with the community, and that's where people like myself, who translate research, and my group, who go out into the community and talk about all the fantastic work the university is doing. That's where we come in. We're like the Babel fish. We're like the Google Translate for people's research to take it into the community. And it's really important because, particularly in more underprivileged areas, people don't see the point in academic research. So to be able to contextualise that for people in the community and say, hey, this is changing our world and this is how it's going to help you in the future is a really important thing. And to break down those barriers between academia and the community, take away those sort of hallowed halls and open them all up to anybody who wants to listen, I think is an absolutely fantastic thing. And that's where myself and my team come in. And that's where there's sort of aspects of science communication and public engagement that we use to bring research to people in the community is really important, and that's why we really love to be involved in these Christmas lectures, because it helps us to be able to do that at such a festive time.
Brilliant, thank you. So in the past, our Christmas lectures have been in person. During the pandemic, we took them online, and now we're trying a different approach to the Christmas lectures in that we are going to be delivering a series of shorts, 10 to 15 minute lectures that we're going to release across the month of December. This year, we're drawing on both the academic experience and the personal experience of some of our teachers at the university, of some of our students at the university, and some of our wonderful alumni around the world. So Martin, would you like to tell us a little bit about the lectures that we're going to be giving?
Okay, so we've got a variety of things coming up. We've got, I think, 6 people who are going to speak to us through their shorts today. We've got a fantastic overview from Stephen Greggs, who's going to be talking really about Christmas and all that sort of stuff. One of our very own professors is Rudecka, who is going to be talking about a Polish Christmas. We've got Ada Nicholson, who's going to be talking about Christmas in Iceland, and some of my most fantastic things that I love about Christmas in Scandinavia, which is the Christmas lads. And we've got Mattia, who's one of our students, who's going to be talking about Italian Christmas. And then we've got some of our alumni from across the world, from the Philippines and Hong Kong, talking about what Christmas is going to be like in their own country.
Brilliant, thank you, Martin. So this is just an introduction to the lectures, so do look out for each of the shorts. As I said, we're going to be releasing those across the month, and we hope you enjoy them. Thank you for listening, and we'll speak to you again soon. Bye.
See you again soon. Bye bye.